Careface CVP. Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Careface Video Productions.
Hey Anthony.
Hey Shirley.
What do you think about men that fight fist to fist with women?
Shirley is not the man I'm thinking about, is the woman that actually stand up and fight fist to fist with a man. She is extraordinary, or she's Jamaican.
Hey Anthony, have you ever been beaten up by women before?
No, Shirley, I have never been in a fight with women before, but if I ever was to be in a fight with a woman, of course probably be badly beaten up by her. I am a lover, not a fighter. I was once badly beaten up by 6 guys.
Oh my god, Anthony, 6 guys. You're lucky you didn't die. 6 guys together.
Well, not to be exact, like that, but over my lifetime. And Shirley, the youngest one, was 15 years old and big like a center back.
You always find some way to make me laugh. You mean quarterback.
Whatever, I was being beaten up.
You sound like the comedian Cat Williams. The same thing happened to him. A 15-year-old child beat the straight out of his hair.
I am the one that was being beaten up, and here you were talking about Cat Williams, the comedian, and you said it out of your own mouth. I'm the one who's making you laugh.
I don't want no more of your beaten up sorry stories. I am sorry I ask.
You're welcome, because I don't have any more anyway.
So how about when the cops beat you up down by Western Road and Lawrence?
Shirley, I don't want to talk about that one. I want to erase that from my memory.
How about the 5 guards that beat you up in prison?
It wasn't prison, it was just jail. And that too.
That too? What?
I don't want to have those as memories.
I don't think anyone would want to have any memories of them being beaten up by anyone, much less a child.
You're so right, Shirley. That's why I'm gonna have to drink some Alzheimer juice.
And what is that gonna do?
Flush out all those beaten up memories.
Oh, Anthony, only if it was so easy.
Comment in the comment section.
Let us know your story.
Were you ever been beaten up?
By someone younger than you?
Or in general?
In general, to indicate that you are talking about something as a whole rather than about part of it.
Okay, Shirley, you are so right.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about it. Careface CVP.